What happened?
Yeah.
Is Daddy in the car?
Yeah.
Aww. Say good morning, guys.
Oh, no.
Did you check the mailbox lang? Nothing inside?
Yeah.
Here, good morning. Say here, babe. Good morning. Show what you've got. Walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie. Celine, put Celine in. Put Celine in, please. Good morning, Daddy.
Daddy,
Put Celine in.
Daddy.
Yay! Ate, come on, ate. Yeah. Alis kami, guys. We are going to New Farm Saturday Market. Maaga pa siya. Hindi pa siya nag-9 o'clock. We're gonna have something there for breakfast. And, who are we seeing there?
Alice and
Oh.
Benjamin.
Okay, dala-dala na naman niya ang kanyang mga abubots, guys. So, yung friends namin from swimming, Alisa and Benjamin, magmi-meet kami sa ferry station. And, mag-ano kami, we will catch the ferry, yeah? Together.
And this one I saw, that's our little baby eggs.
Oh, show me. Hello, what's that lang?
I'm not sure.
Sobrang warm ng araw today, guys. So, I'm wearing this. Ayan, naka-crop top si mami nyo na, anong kulay nito? Lilac. And that's from AliExpress. And, naka-shorts. Hi. And here's my bag for today. Dilim. So, ayan ang ating bag. And, dito sa ating paper bag is, tingnan nyo. Ito yung ginagawa ko, guys. Paper bag na ganito. Ako, wipes and... Huh? Wipes and nappy. Ganyan lang. Kasi hindi mo siya kasi sa bag na to. Yung bag na to, char-char lang. Kita ko nga sa inyo yung laman ng bag na to. Tingnan nyo. Ayan lang, oh. Wallet and phone. That's about it. Yun lang yung outfit. Okay, show your outfit. I already showed it before that. Umaura si ate. Okay. Gonna go na kay Celine is in. Sige natin, kay Celine is in.
Music, random music off during the week.
Put your seatbelt on. The police is coming.
I know, it's funny, we work
Come on, put the seatbelt on.
Absolutely.
Marunong na mag-ano ng seatbelt niya.
A few moments later.
Nasa Balimba na kami, guys. Kaka-park lang namin. And ang ating baby Celine ay nasa pram na niya.
Oh.
Bigil, bigil, bigil.
Ew, a boot. Bird just pooped almost on my head now, it's in there. Ew.
Drama. So, si Daddy Mike natin ay pumunta muna sa news agency para mag-top up ng aming anong tawag ng card nila dito, guys? Yung pagsakay ng ng ferry, kailangan mo nang magbayad. So, wala kaming mahintuan doon before, so nagpark na lang kami dito, tapos Daddy Mike ay naglakad papunta doon. So, yung ating friend, yes, my love, ating friend si Soria, tapos yung mga anak niya, nag-message siya, sabi niya, they're running late daw, so it's okay. Sabi ko, it's alright, kasi Daddy Mike naman ay nag-top up muna ng aming card. So, we'll just wait for them here. Actually, punta na tayo doon na.
Because the radio is not here.
Yet. Yeah, they'll be here soon. Kapita pa sa tubig, eh. Nagbaha.
Is this how the river gets very dirty? Because they go over there and catches some dust, and then it goes back and mixes up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then all the other ones go.
I think so.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
water.
Water. Can you see the water?
Oh my God.
Alam niyo ba kapag nasa sasakyan kami, guys, and we drove near the water. Sabi ni Celine, I can see water. Guess what? Anak, you're a big girl now, aren't you? Huh? Can you see the boat? The ferry? The ferry is there now.
Are we supposed to go now?
So, I think,
Are we supposed to go now?
New Farm, I think, yeah, no, New Farm, I think doon kami pumunta.
Follow baby.
Baby.
It's a baby bird.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, tiny.
I'm the second baby bird.
Oh, what a beautiful day. See, konti lang yung clouds na makikita nyo. Blue skies. Hello? Hindi dinala yung isang walkie-talkie. Oh, yan lang yung neckness. What is it, baby? What is it, baby? We're catching the city cat now. Oh, wow. It's perfect for your size. Hi, Celine. Are you going to the back?
I think it's going full.
Is it? Oh, okay. Lily! Just open the window. Oh, can we open the window? Ah, so we can see the view. Where's Ate?
The bite? You want the bite?
Yeah. 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 We're gonna go see Ate.
We're never gonna stay though.
Okay. Done. We're here now. New Farm. Nini. Did you like your ferry ride?
Maybe you what?
Oh, it's yours.
Thank you.
Come on, this way. Come on.
Hi, you want to go to what?
That's why we're tingling.
Where do you think Lenny went, Daddy? Huh? Just disappeared?
There is like a...
Here na, have a look. Sobrang daming tao. Ling Ling! I go all this way. Get something to drink first. Si Daddy Mike ay naghihintay ng drinks namin doon, guys. So we can start moving kay to Emilia. Look at this. Honey. You gotta eat this one first, okay? No, you don't have to eat it all. Yeah, mommy will share with you. Okay? How about you, Ling Ling? Come and eat.
Did we not eat that part of it?
Yes.
Can you keep your hand there until I finish that? You can have some popcorn. Keep your hand. Can you put your hand on top of mine? I found a white one that has a
Tingnan niyo
red
si Celine.
line on it. Look at this. we need
Abog-abog
so
pa
much
more.
stuff.
Ling Ling! Woohoo! What are you getting?
We're getting the little shiny stuff from here.
Wow. I hope you find diamond.
They did. I found a blue one. I found a blue one. Come over here. Okay.
Is there a diamond?
No diamonds. A diamond. Oh, let me keep this. Oh, I found a blue. These are diamonds. Yeah, the white ones are
That
very...
looks good.
These are the early diamonds.
Oh, it looks good.
I'll show you one that's diamond, but...
Look at this. It looks very colorful. Yeah. Got pineapple there. Yeah.
Have you got any change?
Lini,
Which face do you think is the best?
this one. Like this one. Wow, fresh. Fresh and fresh. They've got like strawberries there as well. Lini.
and you have to go back and then you will see. Yes.
Yeah. Kita rin. Grabe, sobrang init. Hinihintay lang namin yung pancakes, guys. Order kami ng pancakes. Number 18 pala. Strawberries na Nutella. Lini! Tingnan nyo si Lini. Tingnan yung paa. Come out pa kasi it's too hot there, anak. Sobrang init, grabe. Baba! Come out! Come out!
Huh? I got right here.
We'll go to the playground after.
I got right here.
Naman nagbit-bit. Free taste lamb.
I want to get Celine to eat it.
She will.
She won't.
Sit down. No, she will sit down. No, she will sit.
No.
No, mali.
Oh, six, really? Yeah.
Look at this
What?
pancake, guys.
What kind?
Strawberries, Nutella. Yummy. Come here na. Baboy.
You say something. Mommy, mommy.
Yes.
Yes, mommy. I'm Saturday. Oh no, mommy. Ouchie, ouch. Mama, boo, boo. I know.
There, baby. It's okay. I know it hurts. Wipe your tears away with bandage and a kiss just right will make your boo-boo feel alright.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, princess.
I'll push.
You push. You push. You push. Wah, napakainit. Tingnan niyo sa ating Paris. You're doing really well, honey.
Say well done, Bridget. High five.
I did that as well.
Did you? You have to fix your shoelace though, honey.
You mean go across, Amy? Oh, that's actually a very good idea, Paris. I'm just gonna do some. Hello. I'm gonna relax where you are.
Well done.
Push again! Mom, push up again!
It's already spinning.
No, everyone lean the other way.
You're spinning.
I just... This
Do you need help?
Wait, what about we do something else? I saw something else. Everyone, wait.
Woo! Rockabye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows the cradle